quick trick with Frodo. Today we're going to have a go at give you a paw. So we'll go through a couple of ways of getting the behaviour to start with, and then we'll see how far we can get. So first of all, we'll try and do give a paw to your hand. So we've got some treats, yummy treats. Oh, nice. And what we're going to do is hide a treat in my hand so that he can't get it, and we'll see if we can, if when we can't get at it, after he maybe tries to nudge the hand with his nose and give my hand a lick, we'll see if he picks his paw up. Lots of dogs will, so let's give that a go. Ready? Can you get it? Yes, good boy, well done. Clever. Did you get it? Yeah, as soon as he puts his paw up, then I open my hand. Yes, clever. Once we get a few in a row, we put the hand out, wait for the paw to come up. Yes, and then bring the treat in. Good boy, well done. A couple more treats. Yes, good boy, well done. Yes, good. Very nice. Then if you want to, you can start adding a cue. Paw, yes, clever. Paw, yes, nice. Paw, yes, good boy. Paw, yes, good, well done. Now if you're worried about being mugged and perhaps you have your dog trying to pinch the tree a little bit too enthusiastically using their teeth, then there's another way you could try this with a lure. So we can try and have the dog sitting and turn their head to one side, and as their head turns, we can catch them at the sweet spot that they just start to lose their balance a little bit and start to shift their weight. Then we can reward them when they lift their paw up. So we'll give that one a little go for you. Sit. Good boy. So I need him sitting for this one. Try to get his feet straight. Good. So if I take the tree in front of his nose and move his head around, yes, he picks up that paw. And if I wait until he picks up the paw to give him the treat, yes, good, very nice. Yes, good. So you can start that way, and again, as they get more confident, start thinking about what they're doing, picking their paw up higher, then you can start adding the cue like we did with the other method. Of course, if you've worried about your dog's big paws and claws catching your hand, bringing their paw up to your hand or anything like that, the other way you can do it is to have a target for them to put their paw to. So this is just a coaster, happens to be a paw print, you can use any coaster you like. So we can teach them to paw this with moisture when you present the target. Again, your hand's still pretty close, so if you're still worried about your hand, then maybe stick the coaster to the end of a pencil or a pen, maybe pop a peg onto it so you can get your hand further away from the target, further away from your dog's paw. Okay, so we're teaching this one. What I like to do to start with is pop a treat underneath the target that I want them to paw, and then let them sniff and lick at the target, holding on tight so they don't get the treat until they bring their paw out. And lots of dogs, when their nose kind of can't get in there, they'll try a little dig with their foot, and if you catch that and give them the treat, then you're well on your way. Sit, let's try that out. So if I take the treat, pop it underneath the target mat, yes. Boy, get it? Nice. We can do that again. Ready? Can you get it? Yes, good boy. Well done. Get it? Yeah, good. And then again, like with the treat in the hand, pretend to put a treat under, yes. And then bring the treat in afterwards. Good boy. Sit up. Good boy. Yes. Good. Well done. Clever boy. Well done. So with any of those methods, I would teach both paws. So you decide which paw you're rewarding at any one time, and stick to that to begin with, and then teach the other side. So think about how you're presenting what you want them to target and where you're rewarding to help them learn which paw you're asking for. So then you've got them, you can ask for the right paw, you can ask for the left paw. Sit. Good boy. So we put this hand out, paw. Yes, good boy. Very nice. And then we put the other hand out, paw. So he doesn't get anything for that one anymore. We'll wait and see if he can pick the other paw up. Sit up. Yes, good boy. Well done. So you can start switching. Yes, clever lad. Well done. And sit up. Good boy. Yes, Good boy. Well done. I'm obviously a little bit to the side of him. It's easier if you're directly in front of your dog. But I think you get the idea. So, have a go. Have a bit of fun.